Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you that I just had a kit processed either yesterday or the day before. And don't be afraid to still send stuff into ThredUP. Now, obviously, when they make their announcement, it's completely up to you whether you want to reclaim your items if it's still profitable for you. I just want to show you items that they are currently accepting because I keep getting questions about what they take. Do they take seasonal? So I always send in cabbie. The payout is good. Well, very good. I do continue to mark cabbie down. I don't know if I've made a full price sale, probably at least once. And Gap, surprisingly, it does decent. This one was a complete shocker. I posted about this brand the other day. Never heard of it. The tag did not look like a high-end tag. And then when I got it home, I realized it was cashmere. Still, it didn't look like the greatest quality, in my opinion, but I'm no fashionista. So, check out that payout. Fingers crossed that I can at least make $200 on that. And I think I paid $1.50 for it. So here we continue with more cabbie. These Lucky jeans, they were the OG Y2K style. I think they're the ones that had, like, it said Get Lucky or something like that on the zipper fly, which was popular back when I was in junior high. And then we continue down. Tommy Hilfiger does decent. And this Assorted Brands jacket, it's like a surfer jacket by weird brand. I've had it for 2 years. I could not get rid of it. I'm still laying in bed. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. Lucky Brand. I haven't sent in Lucky Brand but once before. One top and it didn't sell. So we'll try this dress, but it is like a summer maxi dress. We'll see. White House Black Market skirt. I've had for like 2 years. Maybe. Okay, maybe less than that. These Guess jeans, I am going to reclaim if they don't sell within 7 days. Whoops. They are vintage. I'll show you. So they're like a metallic paint, like coated denim. And do you see, oh, you can't zoom in for some reason on the tag. Hold on. They've got the triangle logo. And I think they're made in USA. I can't remember. My pictures for these were terrible. And I did not realize they're flare. And so I'm going to reclaim these because the payout is not very much. And I could make a lot more if I sold them myself. I think. If I sold them like on Etsy. Don't mind my crazy morning voice. Like I said, I'm still in bed. This Papinel blouse, I thought it was a PJ top, but it was silk, so I picked it up. Here's my kitty cat. And Casper's like a mature brand. I've sent in a couple pieces recently, and they have not sold yet, but they were given to me. Land's End. David's Bridal. I got this because it's like a little black dress, and it's not necessarily a bridesmaid dress. I thought this Voss casual dress would have done better. I think it's a wool blend, and it seemed to have decent quality, but apparently it's not. Same thing with this Alia dress. I thought Alia was sold at like Macy's. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that pricing for Alia is not correct. Because I think that was a cute, really cute dress. Adrienne Vittadini does prices really well. This is only the second piece I've sent them. And the first one has not sold. I reclaimed it and resent. This Calvin Klein jacket I got for $6. It's a puffer. It's like a coat. It's not a jacket. I thought they would have priced this more because it's an actual winter coat with a hood. But apparently not. This Ann Taylor factory dress I've had for a while. And they priced that super low. Again, I probably paid like $1.50 for it, but still, that's super cheap. The Banana Republic shorts. I don't even know why I have those, honestly. These Calvin Klein full leather pants are amazing. I was thinking I can mark them up over 100, but probably because they're not actual leather, I can't. All right, I want to discuss this right here. This is why you need to carefully inspect your kits when you're when you're adjusting your prices. This dress is a Ralph Lauren silk full length cocktail dress that probably retailed for $400 or more. They mismarked it. Like I said, I don't know why it's mismarked. The tag was completely visible. A lot of the time it's like completely like a IT or what AI, so who knows. But I've already reached out to customer service and they said they forwarded it on, and so I'm hoping if it accidentally sells that they will adjust the payout, because I should get like hoping a couple $100 off this. Whoops. Now this lands in pullover sweater. There was a very, very small faint blemish that maybe only I could see because I knew it was there previously. I stain treated it twice, but they took a Christmas sweater and it's lands end, so it would have a decent payout. Again, Talbots, and then this Pilcro and the letterpress. I have had these pants for like a year, and I've had activity on them, like likes and stuff in my Poshmark closet, but you know, I'd only make $25, $30 off of it. So if they sell and I can make more than that, that's amazing. Have a great and productive day, guys.